Hi, I finally made it on the train, number 40 on the Floridian, going to Harper's Ferry from Cary, North Carolina. And just want to show you, I'm in the older tin cars where the toilet is right here inside, and you've got your sink up here. First time I've been in the roomette solo, so I thought I would just show you what I did. Didn't check baggage this time. There's not a lot of room, and how I have it set up so that I don't need to move the luggage around so much. And my feet are up because it's my nap time. So what I decided to do after trying different methods is, because I am solo, so if you travel solo and you're wondering if it's big enough, do I have to check my baggage? What I did, here's one bag here on the seat where nobody's sitting. That's right now going to Harper's Ferry. This is my food. I'm renting an apartment in an old house, so there aren't that many places to buy food and that kind of thing. If I was going to a city where there was a grocery store and that type thing, I wouldn't have packed that much. But I've got that sitting over here, and I've got my backpack right over here. There's a little bit of room, and I've got room for my shoes and room to walk and go to the bathroom. Now, what did I do with my luggage? Did all kinds of things with it, trying to figure out what to do. I made it into part of the bed. I can never get the seats to go all the way down. I'm not going to be spending the night on the train. If I were spending the night, then I would have the car attendant to just make it into the bed already and lie down when I wanted to. But I'm not going to be on the train but just 8 hours. I'll be off of it by bedtime. So what I did was I just pushed it a little bit, and then I just put it in between. Might have ruined my luggage. I don't think so. I pushed it in between to fill up the gap, and then to make some room, because I had it here, and if you have it here, then there's no room to go to the bathroom. There's no room to move. If you need to move to go out, or if you need to move to go to the bathroom, then you've got to roll it around and make accommodations. So yeah, this is the typical old style tin car that I'm going to be on. So this is what I did, and put a pillow here, and this is how I'm going to take my nap and rest, and it fits fine. And I've got room to roam and room to move around, plenty of room to move around. And there's a sink up here. You can watch my video. I did a whole video on this car. This is the tin car again. And just to give you an idea, if you're traveling solo, it wouldn't work if you're with someone. It wouldn't work as well. There is a luggage rack way up here, but I do not feel like bothering the car attendant to do that just for no longer than I'm on the train. So if you, just to give you a tip of some things that you might do. So if you have any questions, just put them in the comments below, and it's my nap time, so I'll talk to you later, next time.